Tired of fighting to keep things clean? We're the folks to call. Let us apply our muscle and go to work for you today while you kick your feet up, relax, and enjoy the outcome. We love to clean and would love to clean for you. Residential or commercial, top to bottom, big jobs or small ones. We even do windows. Our licensed and bonded staff are standing by to do the best job at the best price. Plus, we use only the best environmentally safe supplies. Call for a no-obligation estimate and let us take the load off and free your schedule today. We even do construction cleanup. Call the best for less today. We look forward to adding you to our list of happy customers. When shall we start? We'll leave things better than we found them. You'll never need to call anyone else if you call us first. No job is too small or too large. Get scheduled today.